Wait, what'd you say?
Can we take some pics together?
Shit. Yeah, I guess.
Can we get some hash drops?
Yeah, we'll do it. Alright, John. Alright, RJ.
What's up?
What's your... what's your car? Wait, what happened to your old car?
Let's just say the Prelude's in a better place now.
Like, what's the better place? A new owner?
Let's just say Honda's not my vibe. Honda's not my vibe.
Oh, dude. Hate herself.
But yeah, so I got a new car.
Wait, what happened to your Corolla?
I sold all of them.
You sold your Corolla too? I didn't even know that.
I sold my red Corolla and my green Prelude. And yeah, this is basically all I got now.
But your Corolla was a winning show car, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was back in the day, MDR days, when Peggy's was famous. But nowadays, I got a new one. This is my baby now.
What is it?
Full stop, 2017 T86. Not a BRZ, not a FRS.
We like BRZ better. You're the only one.
Yeah, I admit BRZ wins at interior, but I kind of like the outside better for this. Yeah.
So what are you going to do to this? I say the first thing you should do is get fog lights.
Maybe that, or exhaust, or air intake, but I don't know.
Oh, exhaust. Don't care about cold air intake yet. That doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
Exhaust. Then fog lights to make... Just focus on the stock look.
Yeah, I know. Right now, I like it how it looks right now, so...
And then, once you save up money for... You can't get coilovers and no wheels. You gotta get them at the same time.
Yeah.
You don't want to be that guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna save cash. Maybe a couple years I'll start doing stuff to it.
So, what are you gonna do to your headlights?
Nothing.
Oh, not gonna
put a yellow tint them.
You want oracles?
Maybe. Maybe I'm down for that.
Just get oracles. $500? No, 400.
So, save up cash.
You gonna lower it?
Probably.
With what? Airbags?
Probably.
Yeah! Airbags!
Persuaded me to do it, so.
Cause, what are you gonna do? Race with it? No, your drift car?
Hell no.
No, your show car. So put it on bags. Nice, dude. 86. Focus. And you forgot his keys inside. Though this is my 1990 Miata. It has a 2JZ GTE with a giant turbo pushing at like 420 to the wheel or to the brake, and it's not tuned. So I can honestly push like 1,000 horsepower now.
True that. Seen it.
See? I got witness.
Seen it.
This is my E90. Wanted to put on bags, but I can't put on bags without wheels, and I'm not a racer.
Everybody looks at it. But it's just stock, so I don't even know.
But it's manual.
Of course. I would never get... Don't get automatic in nice sports cars. Just don't do it. It's a waste of a sports car, man.
It's about the drive. It's not about getting... This is what I tell to my parents, and they hate me about it. A car is not getting from point A to point B. It's about driving. You want to have a car with a great driving experience.
You gotta feel connected to your car.
Yeah, that's why you get bucket seats, and then you weld the diff, and then you get halos, and then you join Rustic Garage.
Make sure it's stick shift.
And it has to be stick shift. Don't worry about Johnny. Johnny is converting to a Hemi.
Oh my god.
He's gonna get a Hemi. Either that or he's gonna buy a new car. We'll see. And we don't know if we want to sell that Challenger. We probably sell that Challenger, to be honest. We were thinking about it.
Yeah, I heard that too. I thought you was gonna sell it already, but
Is this stock?
no. Oh yes, that's completely stock. Yeah, that's me for free. Flat screen.
Oh, that's not stock. oh man, whoops! Did I just
Come on, man, you broke my stock mirror, bro.
Exposed?
Bro, that's my stock mirror. They don't have a warranty for that.
What the heck? Wow, stock exhaust. Let it warm up for a bit and we'll rev it. Yeah. So how's it? How's your first drive? How much miles does it have so far?
196.8.
And it's not broken in yet?
Nah, not yet. I need to break it in some more.
So how many?
Go faster.
What happened? Already?
Oh
no!
Time to get the armor off.
So The next thing on that car is Mishimoto radiator, Greddy turbo, or maybe a Garrett turbo. What else should I do?
Exhaust.
Exhaust. Hello? Johnny's on the phone. You want to come here? RJ's here with his GT86.
Where you at?
At home.
Oh.
I'm leaving now though.
It's going to take like 12 minutes to get here.
Johnny? From UOG.
He's a fast driver.
Who's that?
RJ.
Just me.
Oh, no. Oh,
Where you at though, Johnny?
GCC.
Oh, damn. Alright.
You know, wait for a bit.
How fast do you think you could get her?
He should. It's worth it.
Huh?
Dude,
Okay.
it takes him. We timed it. It takes him 2 songs, which is like 7 minutes to get from here to the church.
I'm
Jigo
down.
Church.
I'll wait a while.
Alright. Peace. So this is a, what is this?
Stop.
Boxer?
2.0 Boxer.
And this is a Subaru motor or a Yamaha motor?
Pretty sure it's Subaru.
If you don't know, there are GT86 with Boxer motors from Subaru. And I think the FRS is from Yamaha, right?
Some are from Yamaha, some are from Subaru.
Yeah, there's like a... So Toyota doesn't really make their own Boxer motors.
Yeah.
So Subaru is the only one who does it. Nice turbocharger right here. You got a supercharger. Got wastegate. You got oil catch can. What else you got here? What else? Oil filter? Dang, it's right here. That's so easy to do. The only thing is...
It's right here. Subaru.
Oh, you have a Subaru.
What is this? Exposed.
The only thing is how you're gonna run your lines.
There. And then Carlo a little higher. There.
But look, it's too high now. Put down your windshield wiper.
Yes. Actually, I think it's perfect, right?
There's no turning back. I already peeled it. No, hold it. Hold this now.
Oh, window pick released that shirt. What the heck?
Okay, make sure it doesn't touch. You gotta stretch.
I'm so scared.
Wait, Johnny, get in the middle!
Oh my god, wait, no.
Yeah. And then lower yours a little more. A little more.
More. Right? More.
Yeah, that's good.
It's on.
Okay.
R is on. Oh, that's okay. That's good. That's okay. That's good. The G. It's touching it.
Is it?
Right now.
With a card.
Yeah. The big ones you can. The small ones you just gotta. You wanna take this out? Or you're gonna put one this way?
So Johnny, how was your day?
Tiring.
School?
Been up since 8.
Damn.
Then went back to class at 5. It's pretty high.
Yeah, that's what I said.
It's fine. You can see it more.
No mind.
Unlike mine, I can't even see mine at all. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's fine. It looks
But
G
it's
though.
okay, yeah.
It's not major.
Major.
The only one that's gonna notice it is Mark.
Watch out, Johnny. Alright, you can be in it. Where's that camera? You see it? Take a photo.
And I wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me.